can I have it back?
It's so fun.
No, I need it back.
Oh, man. Hey everyone, Jacob here, and today I'm going to be reacting to a video. So I don't know which one it is, Cody's usually out, so I'm going to do it today. So
You're not reacting to a video though.
wait, what?
You're gonna actually be reacting to something like an object.
What the heck is it?
You're gonna react to Fidget Toys. Here you go. Here's a fidget cube.
Okay, fine.
Do you know what that is?
Yes, I do.
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty good. So, this is really fun. So, it's a fidget toy. If you like fidgeting, you can just use this. Fun. There's like a joystick thing. This thing. This. Which I don't know what it is. And this ball. And there's this switch. It does nothing. You can just put that back and forth. And then there's like this thing that looks like a dice. And only some of these press down like that. It's really fun. And there's this that my dog broke off. Oh yeah, I forgot one. And the bottom part, we should just do this. Alright, so that's pretty much it.
Okay, pass it. No? Can I have it back?
It's so fun.
No, I need it back.
Oh, man. I need it. And try out all of this. So first is the homemade fidget spinner. Which sucks. It's over there. Here's this purple fidget spinner. Here's a little close up. It's got bearings like every fidget spinner should be. And then finger pads. And this could be used for another fidget spinner. You can just do this. Do this. It's fun. I like it. So, should we like see this bearing inside here?
Do I take that thing off?
Well, should we?
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll show them the bearing. So.
Yeah.
Where the heck did that
Where did
go?
that fly? I found it.
I'm glad that wasn't my fidget spinner. So that's what the bearing looks like in the middle. It has lots of ball bearings inside. So 9 ball bearings. And the other side. So there's 9 ball bearings in there. That's what it looks like when it's spinning. Spin it on the table.
It's like when you spin it on the table.
Yeah.
Alright.
All the bearings are different, so but these two have different bearings inside. I don't know what they're called.
Yeah, they have different ones to them.
Yeah, but these ones, they have very smooth bearings. And you know how you can like do this with them and like the thing kind of moves? You can't do it with this one like that. So like the bearing is actually like covered with these, which is pretty cool. So it makes like a different sound. It's pretty much the exact same. And a different thing on the camera, it looks like another fidget spinner that's spinning like not very fast, is spinning in the fidget spinner. So if I like restart it. Wait. Look, Kobe, it kind of looks like there's like another fidget spinner in the fidget spinner.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fidget spinners are awesome. Oh, this particular one is my one. And it has like these bearings inside. So not the flat bearings. I do fidget a lot. In my classroom. Perfect landing. In my classroom, a lot of things.
So what do you fidget with?
Fidget spinners. Not very
Fidget
much.
spinners?
Not very much with this.
What did you fidget with before you got a fidget spinner?
fidget cube. Toys.
Just toys?
Just toys.
Okay.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, punch that button so hard that it will explode. See you later. Bye, I hope you enjoyed my video. See ya.
Alright then, I guess that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, then please smash that like button. And wait a second, I see you. You've never watched an Arrow video before. Well, never fear. If you subscribe and turn on that little notification bell, right now you can become part of the Arrow army. Bye guys!